Oh, here's the same guy that wanted to walk into a guy way bigger than him and cause shit. Dude, you're an idiot.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Hello. Hello.
Something I can help you guys with?
What happened?
What do you guys
If there was, we'd probably go in your store and ask for some help. Yeah, if I needed help, I feel like
You could hang out with a camera and record with us.
Maybe you might want to give the guy in the drive-thru some Ritalin.
Yeah. Something. He's like really upset.
He needs some comfort.
He's blocking the whole drive-thru. He needs help. Here, cowboy Darren. Oh, I need that VIN number.
Cowboy Darren.
Yeah, try it. Oh, I'd have kicked him.
Where are you going? I thought you were so tough.
Come here. Try it.
Mr. Tough Guy, what's going on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, spit on it. I'm gonna get your VIN number here. Oh, yeah. Thanks, buddy. I just needed your VIN.
I thought you were tough, dude.
You tough? You're tough? You called 911? Did they tell you to go home? Yeah? Look at yours. All chipped up teeth.
You're so mean. Oh, here we go. Here's another clown.
Hello. What are you guys filming?
I'm doing something completely different than them.
What are you guys doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah, what are you filming? I used to work in TV. I'm just wondering. I'm just curious.
Ooh,
About the
TV.
production,
What
yeah.
kind of TV?
Well, I was just asking what are you guys filming?
I think
You're calling people's names. I'm not sure why you just called
Well,
me.
I didn't call him names.
Yeah, because he just walked up.
Alright guys, welcome to today's video. And within seconds, things go completely off the rails. A heated confrontation erupts as one individual aggressively steps in, trying to provoke a reaction. The tension is immediate insults, challenges, and threats fill the air. What looks like a simple public interaction quickly turns volatile, setting the tone for a situation that could spiral out of control at any moment.
You just walked up. You had no idea what happened the last half hour, so.
Yeah. That's true. You know what? I should apologize. How are you doing today?
I'm great, man. I just want to know why you're calling the community names.
Calling the community names. See, just, dude.
You know what? Never mind.
Yeah, you're a Darren. You're a Darren.
Not in the mood
No
anymore.
shit, dude.
You can go shopping now.
You walk up, you run some assumptions. You're like, hey, you know, these guys are calling my community names. No, we're not calling the community names. We're calling individuals' names. And you had no idea what the hell happened. God damn, man. And you used to work in TV. Like shit, you used to work in TV. You didn't used to work in TV.
I did. I think you guys are nice.
Have a good day. Love you.
You as well.
Yeah. Just keep shopping, dude.
How you doing today, sir?
The energy shifts as a new person steps in, questioning what's really happening. Instead of chaos, he's met with calm explanations. The cameramen begin clarifying their purpose, collecting petition signatures while addressing accusations head-on. But confusion still lingers as bystanders try to piece together a story they didn't fully witness, creating a growing divide between assumption and reality.
Yeah, how you doing? Oh, wonderful.
What are you guys doing?
Just chilling.
Chilling?
Asking people if they want to do a petition and getting misinformed. I guess somebody posted something and said, oh, they're here to antagonize, blah, blah. I'm just doing a petition.
Oh, okay.
So they see people with cameras and they assume, someone called us like a First Amendment auditor, and that's not what we're doing. So I think there's a lot of misconception going on right now. But yeah, we're just chilling.
Okay.
Some guy was screaming and yelling and hooting and hollering, saying he's going to kick our ass and beat us down, and then he spit on him or near him.
He pretended to spit on me.
Yeah.
It looked real good, but
You went through the motions of
yeah, and didn't even spit. Thank God.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, ma'am. See what I mean about the misconceptions and the
No, some lady walked up, got in his face, said, "What are you doing?" And he said, "None of your business." That's the
Was that her?
assault. That's wonderful. Oh,
No, I was.
that was the lady before her. But anyways, yeah.
As more voices enter the scene, conflicting narratives start to collide. Some claim the cameramen were disrespectful, while others admit they didn't see the full situation. The tension builds through miscommunication, with each side defending their perspective. Despite the pressure, the cameramen hold their ground, pointing out inconsistencies and highlighting how quickly public opinion can be shaped by incomplete, Information?
Just doing a petition.
Nothing like hanging out near the little.
Oh no, we were over there because we got invited over there. Some lady she signed my petition.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
We film anywhere
And
there's
that's-
traffic, anywhere we're called over. A lot of people raise their hands, roll the window down, say, "Hey, what are you guys doing?" So we have to walk over to them.
Yeah, yeah.
We
You
don't
need
want
a-
them to
you
like
need a
stop
permit.
up walkways.
No, I'm kidding. I'm joking.
No, he's just seasoned yet.
Yeah, you're cool. You're cool. I'm just bugging
That's
you.
the First Amendment auditor right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one too. This guy's a First Amendment auditor.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm auditing my
Good job. That's good. That's good.
And then that lady over there, she was. Yeah, no, it's cool, man. And then that was where the guy got all pissy and bitter. And
Oh, we
blocked.
got another.
Oh.
Just so you know,
Yep.
I fully express this. I love you guys having a voice, all that stuff.
Yep.
There's a difference between filming, being peaceful. I walked up, I sat for a second, I watched them call people's names. I was thinking,
I would like to see the video of that because that didn't happen. Who did we cuss at?
The guy that spit at me that you didn't see.
Yeah.
sitting right here walking
Okay.
Sure
Well,
thing.
You missed the part where.
Now the discussion turns toward legality and boundaries. Questions about permits, privacy, and filming rights come into play. The cameramen respond with logic, explaining the realities of public spaces and responsibility. While one side raises concerns, the other dismantles them calmly, keeping the conversation grounded even as frustration continues to simmer beneath the surface.
He
Yeah.
got spit at. So
You need to wear a hat. You're cooking your
That's why
brain,
you don't
dude.
come into the second half of a situation.
I just asked, hey, you guys okay? What are you filming?
That is not what you asked, and I have a recording of what you asked. You didn't ask
I
how we're
hope
doing.
you guys
and
find a way to find happiness
Nope.
and find.
And nobody called you stupid.
Yep.
I do hope that. I just
Yep.
want you to know.
I'm here to talk to them.
I just thought.
Have a better
Well, we
day.
didn't call you, so you probably should talk
Yeah.
to whoever called.
Well, no, he left.
Oh, they left?
Yeah, the 911 caller. Actually, he parked over there somewhere. He's hiding, trying
Oh
to
no,
watch
he's
us.
in the white van or the white
Oh,
truck.
yeah,
right
yeah.
there. He's over there.
Yeah,
in the
so
white
somebody
truck.
just
Yep.
called.
He's on his way. He's in that white truck. He's the one that spit
Oh,
on.
here's a.
Well, he spit next to him. But
Yeah.
And he got out of his truck.
No, he didn't actually spit. He was really close to spitting, but
Just so you know,
Hey,
because what we're doing is against.
So why somebody else called saying that you guys were filming like where the window was?
Oh, we were.
Where like medication.
We absolutely were, but that's not up to us to maintain their privacy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have to do that. And we were getting a couple signatures signed over there.
Okay. But you guys weren't like in the window, right?
Oh, absolutely
no,
not.
no.
No, come on. You
and
know
we weren't blocking
No,
traffic.
I didn't see it.
I
That's why
know,
I'm
but
asking.
just logic will tell you that I'm not going to crawl through their window and.
Well,
you know.
okay, there's a car there. How would we get to the window?
Yeah, they park really close.
A brief moment of calm emerges as the tone softens. Casual conversation and humor sneak in, easing the tension temporarily. But underneath the surface, unresolved conflict still lingers. The situation feels unstable, like it could shift back into confrontation at any second, as both sides remain firm in their beliefs about what just took place.
I just go off of whatever sits on the call, right?
Yeah. That's cool, man. What's your name again?
Acevedo.
Acevedo, man. Nice to meet you.
Did I say his name in this?
All right.
No.
Stay cool.
Yeah.
Getting
Oh,
warm.
absolutely.
right.
I even got a fan for my phone now. Look at that.
smart.
It's fancy.
I like
So
it.
if they call you back,
Fancy.
you got to bring us some refreshments next time.
I got
No,
nothing,
no,
man.
no
I got a little bit of water.
You look pretty warm yourself, bro.
I hope it lasts me the rest of
Maybe
I
a
like
slushy,
those vests.
A boba drink, some
Cherry
Slurpees.
Slurpee. Cherry
I
Slurpee.
got water. It's
What do
fine.
they call those pockets? They have a name, eh? Like you hook them all on. What do they call them?
Bags.
Oh,
No,
I forgot. Yeah.
no. There's a special name for the vest.
Molly.
Molly's, yeah.
Molly
I was
is
actually
the
gonna
stuff
buy
you
that
call.
vest. That's a nice
Molly
vest.
is something-
Is it light or is it
Molly's
pretty
is
damn?
Heavy, dude.
It's hotter than hell too, isn't
I'd
it?
rather be in a t-shirt like you.
Me too. See it.
No, these are growing out some golf with like gray hair in your beard. I'm telling you the truth. I took a video, but I don't know if the phone meant to turn it down. Well,
Everything escalates again when authorities step in. Accusations of assault are brought forward, but under questioning, the story begins to fall apart. The officer carefully listens, breaking down each claim, while inconsistencies become impossible to ignore. The presence of cameras changes everything, turning what was once just an argument into a situation where evidence matters.
They're not costing you. So what can I do? So we got assaulted here. Me and my parents. So you're saying that you were they're doing this? They're filming you? They sat down and had a conversation. The guy came, put the camera in my face. Right? And he refused because they were mocking me. It was my box and he's an Asian. He's getting my way. They're all around, man. So he's getting my way. And stepped out and got to the conversation in private property. And then I was told the sheet metal. And then pedophile immigrant.
What a
Just making
lying
stuff up.
shithead.
Can I speak?
Nah, man, just quit,
go ahead.
quit lying.
You can
Go ahead.
continue lying, no problem.
We have it all on video.
Can I speak with
Continue making things up.
So I can't move, and they're all in public.
The officer takes control, explaining the legal reality of the situation. Without clear evidence of a crime, there's little action to take. The person making accusations struggles to justify his claims, while the cameramen remain confident, backed by recorded footage. In this moment, the balance shifts, revealing the gap between emotional claims and factual proof.
That's the issue right here. They are in public. They're practicing their First Amendment rights to do this.
So they can essentially.
We might be pressing charges on this guy.
They can rule.
You haven't described any of them assaulting you. If anything, you've described you assaulting them so far.
And guess who has it on video?
So they assaulted me.
How did they assault you?
Basically, they put the camera in my face.
I'm not comfortable with all of these cameras, but it's not.
Don't skip the part where you attacked one of us.
And then on the video, the guy hit me.
You got kicked? Nice.
And then the guy
said hit.
me, and then promised he's gonna kick the shit out of me.
So who was that?
This gentleman here.
Oh yeah, I stopped him because he attacked the young
He
guy.
told me that he's gonna kick the shit out of me.
Because you went hands-on with one of us.
I was told.
Actually,
No, that's not.
By the way,
let me.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to hold on to what I said.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're trying to provoke.
that's right. And basically, then they
So you're
knocked
falling into their trap by doing this.
So what do you advise me to do?
Go away. That's it.
That is my honest.
Ignore
that's
us.
my advice.
Can I press charges?
So what we can do, if you describe a crime to me, which you have not done yet, okay? If you describe a crime, and then you can identify the person that committed this crime,
This person.
Hold up, please listen.
Buy my card.
If you have to describe a crime, identify the person that committed this crime,
And then he watches the video.
You have to choose if you want to do citizen's arrest. Like I cannot. There's no felony that has been committed.
I'm stating this gentleman threatened me, hit me, just because I'm.
So the way you described it was
Hold
that,
up.
that happened after you pushed them away. So it sounds like he did it in self-defense to me.
I did not.
We have the whole thing on video.
When you initially
He's watching the video right now.
you can defense of another works the same way.
Yeah, and guess what, sir? I wasn't. He wasn't the one that said he was going to kick the out of him. I actually said it because it was a self-defense thing.
Yeah.
So I'm not allowed to speak to you without you in prison.
I can't make them leave.
So can I speak with you in the car when you're not present?
If you want to hop in the back, you can.
Yes, I can. I want to talk to you in the car.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna make a good thumbnail.
Let me give us some privacy.
I mean, it's not going to be much privacy, but if you want.
You know he has a body camera we can request.
Like to sit down? Feel free.
Leave him there. Throw some handcuffs on him.
Oh, this is the best intro right here ever.
That's for this?
Yeah, it came out a certain way. You're fine.
I think
Don't worry
it
about
always
it.
gets
Don't worry about
embellished.
it. Sticks.
Huh?
Sticks. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Well,
You got a great smile, Jose.
There's nothing. It's not a giant spectacle.
Did you show the officer him attacking you?
Did you show her?
Yeah, I showed her.
Yeah, going good. You know what he said? That we attacked him. He was attacked because he's an immigrant.
Did he really say
That's exactly the way he put it.
Wow. He was calling all of us fascists.
Yeah, I know. That's what I heard.
We don't even know. I don't even know what race he is, dude.
Hey, security guard, you should stop yelling at children, man. I hear you do it pretty regular. They're just kids. Just be nice to them, okay? That'd be really appreciated.
Okay.
We got you on camera yelling at them a couple of times. Not a very nice thing to do. They're just children, man. Actually, all pretty cool.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. Yeah, it's crazy. That's hard. It's hard to be up there.
I mean, so why did you target two of us with me having a point
We just
accident?
walked over. You decided to jump over the railing and start tackling us.
By talking with them, you're falling into all this.
Why do you think it has to do with you being a foreigner, dude? Nobody even mentioned the fact that you're a foreigner.
Just walk away.
It's not because you're a foreigner.
They've been here all day, sir. We've got Bill. Let's go. Let's go.
Next time, don't try and touch a young man.
Yeah, keep your hands to yourself. It's not
And
that
get your
hard.
story straight before the cops get here.
I'm learning what it means to be immigrant where I'm not welcome.
Are you from Turkey?
No, I'm Russian.
Russian, okay.
But in
And I
Russia,
know what
apparently,
it
they don't
means.
teach people
I
to
know
keep
what
their
it
hands to
means.
themselves.
To
We
be
have-
Russian, we are not welcome.
We have rights.
It's got nothing to do with you being from
don't
Russia.
have a right to target me because I'm immigrant.
It's not because you're an immigrant. Do you know I'm also foreigner?
He's immigrant. I'm immigrant.
Do you know-
He targeted two of us.
Do you know I'm
from the entire
I'm not
group.
from this country either? Do you know that?
You're a racist.
Do you know I'm a
man.
brown-skinned person that's not from this
You're
country?
racist.
He targeted two of us because
No,
we're
you're
immigrant.
just a racist
That's okay.
person.
Yeah.
Woe is me, woe is me, I'm from another country.
This is why fascists are around.
Jeez,
And
man.
you have a logo fascist from yourself.
We're back, Sky. We're back. Wait.
Yeah, you're
Yeah, we're back in the
you're a
sky.
disgusting human being, man. Afternoon, gentlemen.
Attention seeking. Attention seeking? What did you call us?
Man, oh man. I just said good afternoon to you two as well, man.
See? You see? You
Well,
were nice and they were
That's
calling you an attention seeker.
I take pictures and video. I came from Toronto, Toronto, Canada. That's my friend over there. He does a petition. I'm helping him with his petition. It's to federalize crimes against. Excuse my language. I'm hotter than hell today. This is not Canadian weather, so.
Right.
But you have a great day. And yeah, we're working on the petition, and then sometimes people get all snotty with us. So.
How you doing?
Yeah.
That is.
Hey.
How you doing?
You the auditor guys?
No.
Oh, I thought you guys.
Almost.
Oh, you guys are cool.
He's
man.
about as close as it gets.
Nice to meet you guys, dude. You guys
Yeah.
are awesome.
Thanks,
How you
man.
doing?
Good, how you
I
doing?
love your leg tattoo. That is
Holy
intricate, to say the
Costs too
least.
We're just recording.
Oh man, you guys
Yep.
are
But yeah, no, that's what we're out here doing. So if you get a chance, sign it, share it out.
I'll sign it. Back it out for us.
Thank you, guys.
I appreciate it. Hey, have a beautiful day, man. Yep.
What's the dog's name?
We got Lucy and Lily.
Lucy and Lily.
Are they siblings?
They're not. She was
look-
the expensive. She was our discount Riverside puppy, and we got what we paid for with both of them.
Oh,
I love that.
you are so good.
That's so awesome.
You are so good. You're such a good girl.
Very cute. Do you guys have a gorgeous day? Thank you for looking that over. Make sure to share it out for us.
Sure. Yeah, we'll do.
baby.
Thank you both.
You're a good girl. You have a good day, okay, baby?
Yes, I want to.
You have a good day, okay? Bye-bye.
As the tension fades, the scene transitions into a calmer, more reflective exchange. Conversations turn surprisingly friendly, with bystanders engaging in casual talk and even showing support. Cultural misunderstandings and personal frustrations become clearer, replacing hostility with dialogue. What started as chaos ends in an unexpected calm, proving how quickly conflict can dissolve once reality settles in. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.